Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Now this video to test this travel type, foldable type. I probably have one. I'll normally use it for have only close on off. You can control the heating temperature. Use it and test it out with a nozzle and without nozzle and see how about this type. How fast can it be? The unit I will use we maintain at we'll be using the miles per hour unit, and the temperature is 34.5 degrees now. Stay to maintain the distance from the nozzle to the tester to be 8 inch. Okay, these are the criteria. Okay, it's about 5, 4, 5. Maybe about 1.3, 5. Okay, very slow. If I were to remove it, that is faster now. It's roughly 10 miles. Have to hover around to get the maximum temp. Higher speed. Now it's faster now. This type of fan, I think the maximum speed can go is roughly 10 miles per hour. A foldable travel type hair dryer. And that's all from me. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.